Katrina Kaif की है सबसे clean image and yet she is called the sexiest woman in Bollywood. भला ऐसा क्यों है? क्या है Katrina aware that her butt is her best asset? अगर उनकी ढेर सारी पिक्चर्स को देखा जाए तो हमें कुछ ऐसा ही लगता है. Katrina seems to be always showing off her best asset, that is her backside.
So you can call her sexy, you can call her pretty, you can call her doll-like. All of this is Katrina Kaif.
Yes, and she's endorsing that skinny doll, the branded doll, but her butt is nowhere like the skinny doll. And it's very obvious if you look at all the pictures that she does enjoy the fact that she has a cute butt, or so she thinks, and I don't disagree. And she loves showing it off, so I think very subconsciously she probably... Maybe, do you think she realizes, Katrina, that she's showing her butt off?
I think so. Big yes.
So that's why, you know, she's either wet in those white clothes or her butt is just butting out. Or if nothing else, she's posing with her hand like that. So all the attention in whichever way, whether it's her posture, whether it's her hands, or whether it's the clothes she's wearing, or whether it's how wet the clothes are, how transparent they are, clearly she realizes that her butt is an asset and she loves to flaunt it and nobody's complaining.
तो सोचिए इस वीक का पावर यानी कि पर्सन ऑफ द वीक कौन हो सकता है? Naturally, Ranbir Kapoor. Of course, his movie Rockstar is rocking and how, but we love him for his patience.
Recently on a promotional tour, Ranbir पहुंचे नागपुर जहां the public went crazy. एक यंग माँ अपने बच्चे तक को भूल गई थी. उनका दुपट्टा था कहीं और बच्चा कहीं और. पर लगता है the mother was more interested in taking a picture of her favorite rock star than picking up her baby जो भीड़ में बेचारा गिर ही गया था. माँ और दूसरी फीमेल फैंस ने तो खो दिए थे अपने होश, लेकिन रणबीर was super sensitive and he picked up the baby and returned it safely to the mom.
So are you surprised he's getting mobbed? I mean,
No.
what do you expect?
No, I'm not. I think he's very cute. I would probably do the same thing to him. But every time he walks into Zoom, I'm not around. But he's very cute. But यहाँ पे मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, उर्वशी, मैं रणबीर पर तरस खाऊं या वो छोटे बच्चे पर. It's like poor Ranbir is getting grabbed everywhere. बच्चा नीचे गिरा हुआ है. रणबीर, poor thing, बच्चे को उठा के माँ को थमाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. The mother doesn't care. And माँ फोटो ले रही है, if you're looking at it properly. So it's like, बेचारा बच्चा. She's more excited about taking a picture with Ranbir Kapoor. And if you're looking carefully, पीछे से एक और लड़की आ रही है, and Ranbir's attitude is like, बस यार, बस. And he was so patient. I think it says a lot about his popularity, and he should just enjoy getting mauled by the young moms, and maybe the bachas will also grow up to be his big fans because he has held them high.